If you look up at the sky at night, you will see innumerable twinkling stars. Most of these stars are part of our own Milky Way galaxy. The moon, which spread its light around the world, is also part of our galaxy. Are there more moons in the Milky Way galaxy? If so, why do we see only one moon? What is the difference between a star and a planet? Does the moon follow us? In today's video, we will tell you all of it. What is a galaxy? Friends, this universe is very vast. And according to astronomers, it is constantly spreading. Galaxy means a cluster of various gases, small particles or dust, and billions of stars. All of these objects are captured together by gravity. There are estimated billions of galaxies in the universe. And our galaxy is one of them. What is the difference between a planet and a star? The Milky Way galaxy contains trillions of planets and stars. The star refers to one such astronomical object which can emit light, while the planets are those astronomical objects which revolve around a star. The Sun, for example, is a star, and our Earth revolves around it. So Earth is a planet. Milky Way Galaxy Introduction. The planet we live on is part of the Milky Way Galaxy. The Milky Way Galaxy is not static, but revolves around one axis. There is a black hole right in the center of this galaxy. The mass of this black hole is equal to 4 million suns. Our galaxy revolves around this black hole. Before 1920, astronomers thought that the Milky Way galaxy is the whole universe. This was proved wrong in 1924 when the American astronomer Edwin Hubble discovered another galaxy. Its name is Andromeda. However, it is also said that this galaxy is constantly moving towards our galaxy. And about 4 or 5 billion years from now, it will collide with our galaxy and the Milky Way galaxy will be completely destroyed. Our solar system. Friends, our solar system consists of one sun and 8 planets, and is part of the Milky Way galaxy. Pluto was once considered one of the planets in the solar system, but now it is added to the list of dwarf planets. Dwarf planets are slightly smaller in size than other planets and have slightly different characteristics. The Sun is right in the middle of our solar system. It is actually a star, that is, it emits light. The Sun's temperature is estimated at about 15 million degrees Celsius. It is made up of hydrogen and helium gases. When a planet completes one revolution around its own axis, it is said to have completed one day. When the same planet completes one revolution around the Sun, that means a year has passed on this planet. Mercury is closest to the Sun and has the fastest speed to complete one round around the Sun. Which means, of all the 8 planets, Mercury has the shortest solar year. 1 year on this planet is equal to 88 days on Earth. However, an interesting thing is that on Mercury, the duration of day to night and night to day is quite long. And this cycle takes 175 Earth days to complete. That is, 1 year on Mercury is completed before 1 day. Second planet of our solar system is Venus. Here the temperature rises to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. There are also volcanoes on this planet, and the air pressure here is so high that if a human tries to land here, this pressure of air can crush him. Earth is the third closest planet to the Sun where we live. According to human knowledge, it is the only planet where water is found in liquid form, and that is why there is life present here. The fourth planet in the solar system is Mars. According to astronomers, there is a volcano on Mars that is 3 times bigger than Mount Everest. Mars is red because of the iron found in its surface. Jupiter is the 5th and largest planet in the solar system. This planet can fit more than 1,300 Earths in it. Saturn is the 6th planet in the solar system. It has 7 rings. This planet is said to be so light that if it were to be placed in a large swimming pool, it will begin to float on the surface of the water. That is, it will not sink. We can see this planet without a telescope. The 7th planet in the solar system is Uranus. There are 13 rings around it. It is blue in appearance. Neptune, the last planet in the solar system, is also blue. This is because of the methane gas that is found in the climate. Diamonds are also found on Neptune and Uranus due to methane gas. Due to its remoteness from the Sun, Neptune has the longest solar year and is approximately equal to 165 Earth years. Let's talk now about the moon found on these planets. Saturn has the most moons, there are 82 of them. While Jupiter has 79, Uranus has 27, Neptune has 14, and Mars has her 2 moons. Venus and Mercury have no moons. If we look up at the sky at night with a good range of telescopes, it is possible that we also see other planets and their moons. We can even see Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn through the human eye without a telescope. Friends, the day on Venus is the longest. If 243 days pass on Earth, then only one day will pass in this period. The shortest day is that of Jupiter, and covers only 10 hours on Earth. How was the Milky Way galaxy, the solar system and the moon created? According to astronomers, the Milky Way galaxy was formed 13.6 billion years ago. Different gases and tiny particles in space began to collide and captured by gravity. As a result of this collision, some stars were formed, and our galaxy was born. Due to gravity, the galaxy shrunk and became smaller in size. Our solar system, on the other hand, came into being through the explosion of the solar nebula. The solar nebula was a collection of different gases. According to some experts, about 4.6 billion years ago, this cloud or collection of gases exploded. And this is how the 8 planets and 1 sun of our solar system came into being. The planets began to revolve around the sun. Scientists say that the moon came into being 4.53 billion years ago as a result of a collision between our planet Earth and another planet. Are there more solar systems in the Milky Way galaxy? Friends, it is not that the Milky Way galaxy has only one solar system. Astronomers have discovered about 3,200 stars in the Milky Way galaxy around which at least one planet is orbiting. However, they are not called solar systems but planetary systems. What is outside the Milky Way galaxy? Friendly scientists have so far identified trillions of galaxies. These galaxies also contain innumerable planets, stars, black holes, various clusters, and meteors. At the end of 2021, NASA claimed to have discovered a planet outside the Milky Way galaxy. But more research is being done. Does the moon follow us? Friends, when you look at the sky outside the car window during a journey, you will feel as if the moon is chasing you. The moon doesn't really follow us. It remains in its place because the moon is so far away from us. Therefore, distance we covered during our journey on Earth is nothing compared to the distance between the moon and Earth. That is why, being so far away from us, the moon stays in its place and we feel as if it is moving along with us. Friends, this universe is bigger than the thinking of mankind. We don't even know if there exists another universe. Our knowledge about universe is like a person standing on a coast who has no knowledge about vastness of the sea.